Hello, my dear children. Our today's topic is punctuation. Now, let me list out the punctuations with punctuation marks. Colon, semicolon, comma, hyphen, dash, it is of n dash and m dash, ellipsis, exclamation mark, full stop, question mark, capital letter such as A to Z, apostrophe where it is like a comma on the top. Now let me explain one by one in detail. The first one in order is colon. Where do we use colon? A colon separates two clauses and the second clause explains the first one. Look at the example. You will need the following. So there you can find the colon where there is a list of things that is needed. Chalk, paper and scissors. Second one, semicolon where the symbol is a dot with a comma. Semicolons break sentences for a dramatic effect in order to add beauty to the sentences. They are used to connect independent clauses. A closer relationship between the clauses is indicated. Example, Banu likes eggs, semicolon, Jyoti does not. Here, there are two sentences where they speak about the interest on egg, but there is a semicolon inserted in between both the sentences in order to explain the closer relationship. The third one is comma. It indicates a pause in a sentence or separates items in a list. Example, we have fish, carrots, potatoes and rice for dinner. Here, it separates every item with a comma. The next one is hyphen and the symbol is just a small dash. It is used to join two or more words together into a compound term and is not separated by spaces. So now look at the example here. There are few compound terms given here with a hyphen. Part, time. Back to back. Well known. Dash. It is used to separate words into statements. This dash is of two types, n dash and m dash. What is n dash? It is twice as long as a hyphen. This n dash is used in writing or printing to indicate a range, connections or differentiations. Example, year 1880 dash 1945. Second one, m dash. What is m dash? It is longer than an n dash and the m dash can be used in the place of a comma, parenthesis or colon to enhance readability or emphasize the conclusion of a statement. Look at the example. She gave him her answer. No. In this example, we have the m dash which is longer than the n dash. The next one is ellipsis. The symbol of it is three dots. It is most commonly represented by three periods, that is three dots. It indicates an omission especially of letters or words. Ellipses are frequently used within quotations to jump from one phrase to another or omitting unnecessary words that do not interfere with the meaning. Look at the example. Suja began to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and there is a symbol of ellipsis dot 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 until she got 10. Then went to find her brother who was hiding in the garden. So here, in order to omit the words, we use ellipsis. Exclamation mark. The symbol is an inverted lowercase I. This exclamation mark is used when a person wants to express a sudden outcry, a surprise, or a strong emotion, wishes to add emphasis. Example, look out, I screamed. There we have the exclamation mark immediately after the outcry, look out. The next one is full stop. This is one of the most familiar punctuation mark which we know. This full stop is used at the end of a declarative sentence, statement thought to be complete, and after many abbreviations. Example, Ram and Rahim went to the market. Full stop. Dr. Mano is a dermatologist. Full stop. Now, question mark. Question mark is used to indicate a direct question when placed at the end of a sentence. This is also used after the question tag. Example, where are you going? Question mark. Capital letter. This is also called as uppercase alphabet. We use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence and also to indicate all proper nouns. Example, Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi and India begins with a capital letter. Now, the last one is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of a letter or letters from a word, and possessive case or the plural of lower letters. Look at the example given there. Omission of letters from a word. The example is, I have seen that movie several times. The next example is possessive case. Sarah's apostrophe S dog bit the neighbor. Sarah's dog bit the neighbor. The third example given there is plural for lowercase letters. Neha's mother constantly stressed minding one's P's and Q's. When we apply the required punctuations in a sentence or in a paragraph, it adds beauty to it.